Hello, good afternoon, and I hope everyone is feeling well. Welcome back to the Home Configuration NTFS Permission second part. In the first part, we did a home drive demo NTFS permission. We did the following. We created Emma Malik user as admin user and gave a path, and we logged in on a client machine. He has access to both home folder and the network shared drive has been created automatically for her. And second, we did created a grass user with no admin rights. We didn't add him to administrator, let's say, but we gave a path since we shared home folder as administrator owner only. Grass user, you see him type grass user. We type it here too. Grass user got only a network shared drive automatically, but he wasn't access to the home folder because home folder shared as administrator owner only, so only admin user can access it, and grass user wasn't as an administrator user. Then we made a grass as an admin user, but we removed path we provided in the second NTFS. So we provided path here, we removed the path, but we made him admin, and he got access as administrator privilege to home folder. But since we didn't type a path for him, there was not any network shared drive automatically created for him, which we need to manually create it, and we did that. So we created manually for manually map network drive for Grass Malik user because we remove path to home folder for him as a personal drive access. And then in a fourth and last steps, we created a user no Malik. He was an admin user. We manually added him to the home folder with a full control, and we gave also a path, and he got access to home folder, and as well as a network shared drive automatically has been created for him. So we just give a path something like // security, which I showed to you at that time, home, and then again / and Malik, and there was a folder created inside a home folder, right? And then when we log in as a no Malik, he was able to access to the home folder. Along there was a drive that has been automatically created named and Malik. So let me check on that. So go to the server. I log it in as a server, and if you go to the Windows machine, on Windows machine, if you log in as a no Malik, so now I'm logging as a no Malik, and if you see, he's an admin user, but we manually added him to the home folder, and he now have access to the home folder. And also if you go to this PC, the network share drive was automatically created for him named no and Malik, which is no Malik. And if you go to the path security hacker, My bad, there should be backward slash. Got freezed up for some reason. There was a pop-up windows. Sometimes I'm not sure. Not sure why it's keep freezing. Sorry. Let me wait a little bit for this to start working. If not, I'll shut off and shut on again. Hopefully it start working. Let me power off and power on again. For some reason it crashed or something happened. So let me wait for this while it's loading. We'll log into the Noh Malik. In Noh Malik we'll have basically have access to the home folder without admin privileges. And I'll also show that there was a network shared drive that has already created automatically, which I showed in a first demo or in a first part of home configuration NTFS permission. Let's wait for this. So I'm logging. Let me log in as a Noh Malik, and I'll wait to logs everything up. While it's keep loading, let me go to the server. I'll go to the tools. I'll show and check if he is admin user or not. So Active Directory user and computers. And I'll go to the Noh Malik, right click properties, and I'll click on member of. There is no admin, so he's not administrator group. So you need to click on user and come to the user. And if you don't see this user, you need to expand the malik.com, your own domain. Let's wait for this and check if no Malik, which he is a non-admin user, has access to the home folder or not. And then we'll begin a part 2 quickly. Let me make this bigger. So if you come to this PC, so in a first demo, the network share drive was automatically created for Noah Malik's when we gave him a path on server. And if you come to the, let me wait for this. The error random pops up, not sure. If you go to this PC and type // two times security, which is a path to the home folder, and click on home. And if you see, he has access to his own folder and Emma Malik folder and Grace Malik folder. So from this, I want to start my second part. Let me go back to the file. The second part, I don't want Emma and Grace to be accessible by Noah non-admin user. Since Noah is non-admin user, I don't want Noah to see these two folders, right? In order to do this, you need to simply go to the server, go to the file explorer. I want Noah. Let's say the manager came to me and he said, hey, Noah is not admin user, so I don't want him to see the Emma and Grace Malik folders because they are an admin user. So I don't want those two folders to be accessible by non-admin user. So the way you want to deny that, you go to this PC and you need to local disk C, go to the home folder, and you need to go to the each folder Grace Malik, right click, properties, sharing, security. Let me see if the Noah Malik is there. It is right there. We need to remove him. We can't remove it. Okay. We need to disable the inheritance. As you see, Noah Malik is right there. We need to make disable inheritance. Oh, wait. I think I removed something else. So let me remove it now. So Noah Malik is no longer in this folder. Let me check the sharing too. So this is fine. So if you go to the security one more time, Noah Malik is not there. And if the same thing, you need to go to the Emma Malik folder and click on properties, go to the security, and in the security you need to click on edit, not on edit, go to advanced and disable inheritance for him as well. And remove it. So it has been removed. So let me go to the folder. So I removed Noah from these two folders, and now let me check the effective access for Noah Malik home folder and Emma Malik to see and from the server to confirm if he has access to these two folders or not. To check the effective access for the Emma folder, right click on this, properties, security, once, effective access, select user, and type Noah, check name, click OK, check effective access. You see everything is in a cross. That means Noah Malik doesn't have access to the Emma folder. I hope this is clear. And if you go to the same thing for Grass Malik properties, and the properties click security, advanced, effective access, select user, and type Noah again, check name, click OK, effective access. He doesn't have access to this folder too. But if you come to the nmalik, which is his own folder, which the manager want him only to have his access to this folder, his own folder, you need to just click on this and effective access, select user, and type Noah. Check name. OK. As you see, everything is check marked. That means Noah Malik has access to his own folder, but not those two folders. If you click to home folder to see if he has access to home folder or not, security, advanced, select user, type Noah, check name, OK. Access, he has access to his home folder as well. So now if I'm log in and log out one more time, me sign out and sign in again. Let me tell you one more thing. If you want to remove him from these two folder, as I did, I went to the properties and I went to the security and I manually remove it. What if there is no Noah Malik and you want to remove Noah? Like Noah has still access to this folder, right? But there is no Noah Malik. You need to click on edit and then you need to click, no, not edit. You need to go to advanced. In advanced, you need to click on add, select principal, and add Noha, check name. Once you add this, click on full control, and this will allow to deny. And in this way, you add the Noha Malik to this folder, but you make him deny to have access because you didn't see it, right? You didn't see it here to remove it. If you don't see it to remove it, you need to do this way. Otherwise, if you see it, you need to remove it. That's all. And if you come to the Windows machine and log in as a Noah Malik one more time, and if you click on File Explorer and go to this PC, that is good. Network share drive for Noah is here. Let me go to the home folder because the manager told me since he is not admin user, I don't want him to have access basically to Emma and Grace Malik folder. Let me check if he has access to those folder or not. So he's not admin. Go to home. As you see, those folders are no longer visible. Let's say I want to log in as a Grace Malik to confirm, right? Or Grace Malik, since he's admin, I want to check first on the server. So we are done with these two. I remove him and I check if it is access for Noha Malik, Home, and Emma Malik. And it shows cross sign except for this, except for his own folder Noha Malik. Now confirm, log in to Emma Malik, log in as a Emma and see if Emma has access to all five as an admin user. But before I want to confirm, I want to do first this to check if Emma as admin user have access to home folder and their subfolder or not. So to do this, let me go to the server. Let me check the Emma for this. If Emma has is admin user, let me check if he has access for on home folder or not. Type Emma, check name, click OK, and check effect. He has access. That is good because he's admin. This is what my manager want. And if you come to home folder, check his own folder that he has access to his own folder or not. Security, effective access, select user, type Emma, and then check name, click OK. He has access to his own folder as admin too. And let me check for Grace Malik, properties, security, advanced, effective access, select user. me type Emma. Let me click on effective. He has access to Grace Malik folder as well. And let me check for Noha Malik as an admin user because they are admins, so they have to have access to all folders. But I just want to check the effective access for the Noha Malik 2 right now. So now Noha Malik has access to all of these folders, which is great when I'm logging. But let me check for the Grace Malik, right? Grace Malik is also admin user. Let me check for Grace Malik 2. The home folder, scary, Vance, effective access, select user. I'll type just Grace here. Click OK. Check effective access. Grace Malik has access to home folder, which is great. Let me open this. Let me check the Emma for Emma Malik if the Grace has access to Emma Malik folder or not. Select user Grace. He has access to the Emma folder too. And if you check for Grace Malik his own folder, security, advanced, def access, select user, type Grace Malik. Okay, effective access, he has access to the his own folder. And if you check for Noha Malik, properties, security, advanced, effective access, select user, and type Grace here. He should have access to this folder as well. So as you see, the admin user that my manager want, he will have access to all these folder. But since the manager told me he doesn't want to have access, doesn't want Noah Malik to have access to these two folder, I manually remove him from these two folder. And as I explained, when I went to the Emma Malik to remove the Noha Malik, I just went to security and I saw the Noha Malik here, and I just click on advanced and I remove him from here. And also I also said, if you don't see Noha Malik here, and if you still want to Noha Malik to not have access to Imam Malik, you need to click on advanced, click add. You'll just need to select principal, type Noha, check name, okay, give full control, and make sure to make the type allow from deny, and click OK. And this way, that means you add the Noha Malik to the Emma Malik folder and also to the Grace Malik folder, the same steps, but you make him deny. This is the second way when you don't see the Emma Noha Malik in these two folders. Since I saw it and I remove it, so now let me log in. So I did this. Now let me log in as a Emma, that he has access to all these folders or not. And of course he will definitely have access since I removed I confirmed it on effective access. Other user E Malik and type password. And if you go to the Imam Malik server user Imam Malik, right click properties, he is admin user. And if you come to the Noah Malik, since he is non-admin user, he will only have access to Noah Malik home folder, but not to the Grace Malik and what is another name, Imam Malik folder. So now I'm logging as Imam Malik. Now she has to see all of three folder along with a home folder because she is admin user. Go to this PC. This is the network shared drive for Imam Malik. You go to quick access and let me type the path for home, and if you click on home, as you see, an admin, she has access to all of these folder. And now if I log out and log in one more time as the Noha Malik non-admin user, he will not have access to Grass Malik and Emma Malik folder since he is non-admin user and we removed him to have access. And Malik and password. And now if we check, the Noha Malik will not have access to Grass Malik, and another name is Emma Malik folder. Noha Malik will only have access to his own folder. So go to the File Explorer, and in the File Explorer, go to this PC to see if the network share drive is here. So it is good. Now we go to the quick access, and in the quick access type the path to home folder security hacker. If you go to there, now if you click on home, says since Noha Malik is non-admin user, I only give him access to his own folder, and Malik his own personal drive, and he doesn't have, unfortunately, have access to Emma and Grace Malik because those are folders that can be accessible by admin user, not by Noha Malik, because Noha Malik is not admin. So, and also we added him Noha Malik as a manually in the first part of the demo. So that's all for this home configuration in NTFS permission for a home folder and give access to the user for personal drive. And these are the part 2, and I hope you learned and enjoyed, and there are no more parts. This is what I did, and I hope you learned and enjoyed. Thank you so much, and have a great day, everyone.